Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be seeing how well AI planes handle real life emergencies. And first we're gonna start off with the engine failure. So let's just gonna go to autopilot.
Systems
I
damaged.
hate when it says systems damaged. Okay, and let's choose to land at maybe hills. Yeah, yeah, just do that. Yeah. And then we go. Just follow route. Boom. Oh my gosh, what is JC400 doing? Why is it going over the mountain? Go over there. Bruh. Bruh. Turn. Oh my god. Yeah, it's dumb. Okay, let's start off with the engine failure. Maybe now. I didn't really do anything. But the AI plane is not turning it on, right? Okay, that's pretty good. Do not hit the mountain. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I do not feel safe in this plane anymore. Let's just, what do we do this? We'll distract them. Oh gosh. I'm scared. Bruh. Okay. Oh no. Oh gosh, this is scary. Let's eject the door, maybe? Maybe this? Oh gosh. Oh, are we nosediving? Because that doesn't seem really good. Boom. Boom, bang. Oh, no. That was close. That was close. Oh. What the heck? Okay, let's just go back to the cockpit and see. Oh my gosh. Let's see if this can land without the engine. It's not doing good. Hills is over there. Bro, turn. What is he doing? What is he doing? What the hell is he doing? Now we're just gonna stall probably. Stabilize. Follow the route. No. Follow the route. Go. Oh my gosh, right? Oh yeah. Okay, I think now we're finally doing the approach. That's but is he going to land? Okay, we're doing good so far. There is another airplane over there. Yeah. Gear should be down any second now. Any second now. Yep. There it is. Can it land? Oh shit, there's something on the runway. There's another plane on the runway. Even if it lands, okay, they're turning. Uh, Thank you very much, AI planes. You made us go around. Just gonna wait for another 5 minutes. Are we gonna stall? We might stall. Don't stall. No! No! AI planes are so stupid. Bruh. Okay, first engine failure. We did not survive. So let's try 2 engines. What can go wrong? Okay, let's just autopilot. And what runway shall we land at? So we are over here. Oh, what the? I'm thinking we should land maybe here. Let's go. Follow custom route. And as soon as it's done to turn, I'll turn off the engine. I don't even. Oh, what do you mean? I don't even know if this giant turd can turn. Start. Okay, let's turn off the engines. Yeah.
Systems damaged.
We're doing good so far. Way better than the C400. But can we land? That's the question. Turn, you turd. Turn. Please turn. Turn. It's gonna turn anytime soon. Finally. Can we land? What? We are going way too fast. Slow down. Oh, my camera's good. We're going sideways a bit. That's okay. Now we're sent. Never mind. Not really. Turn. I'm scared. I've never been on this plane before.
100, 300,
Okay, we're good.
300.
We have to be good.
200.
Wait, can this AI play in butter this landing? This is not gonna be butter.
40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, ooh. But can it stop? Okay, it's gonna stop anytime soon. Okay, I'll take that as yes. So HE400 made it. Can the
Systems.
that one. Can it land with only 3 engines out? Oh, okay. Can it land now? Why are you going up? You're gonna stall. What do you mean? I'm scared. Yes, one engine. One engine. Oh, that is a descent. This should land this if I'm cool.
Systems.
Okay, I think I'm kind of helping it by the speed. So I'm just gonna put that down there and see if we can just turn. Oh gosh, look at my FPS. That is not too much. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Actually, kind of did. Okay, we're turning. Can we land though? Yep, it dips it. It's turning though. You should probably use auto brakes. Use auto brake. Is the gear gonna come out now? I wanna see it come out. Oh. Nope, there it is. There's the gear. Okay, now let's land. We're going a bit slow. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Oh no. This is not good. Okay, we're good.
300.
We're good again. I don't know. Actually, we're kind of sideways. Oh, can we land? Can we land? Wait, it's landing. This won't be butter.
50,
Wait,
40,
is it gonna
30,
land over
20, 10.
Boom, bam. Okay, so MC400 made it. Okay, next is RL4T2. We're gonna make it all the way to the thing. I did what you did good. Make good. Now follow. Let's take all the way both engines. Right about now. Okay, that is. I should have done it a little bit later. That's not fair, William. Okay, I restarted it. Now we should be. As soon as this is done to turn, we're good. I'm gonna take away one engine. Oh. Okay. And now the other one. I'm only leaving you with. Well, I wanna be a passenger. I'm gonna go back. What did I say? I need to what speed we're going at. I'm just gonna go back to the top. What speed? Oh gosh, I don't know if we're gonna make it, guys. I don't know. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna make it. Guys, we're not making it. Oh, we're turning. Oh no. We're going too slow. We're at 120 knots. That's not good. Oh gosh, then the plane is pitching up a bit. Oh no. I don't know if we're gonna make it. How does this one? Oh, we're gaining speed. That is good, I guess. But are we gonna slow it down? Oh no. This is not good. Oh no. Stop pitching up. Pitch down a bit. No.
Stop.
No. We died. Okay, next is fuel exhaust. Exhaust. exhaustion. Let me just put this up there right. I say this is the end of the video. Like for part 2